What should I do immediately after losing my smartphone?
First, stay calm. Try calling your number or texting it. Someone might find and return it. If that doesn't work, use your phone's built-in tracking feature, such as Find My iPhone or Find My Device, to locate, lock, or erase your phone. Acting quickly increases your chances of recovery and protects your personal data.
How can I protect my personal information?
Secure your accounts quickly. Change passwords for key services like email, social media, and banking apps, especially if you're unable to lock your phone remotely. If possible, sign out of these accounts from another device. Enable two-factor authentication wherever possible to add an extra layer of security and prevent unauthorized access.
Should I report my lost or stolen phone?
Absolutely, report it promptly. Contact your mobile carrier to suspend or disconnect your service to prevent unauthorized use. Notify your local police with your phone's serial or IMEI number. They may need this information for their report. Reporting helps with insurance claims and may assist in device recovery.
Is it possible to track or erase my device?
You may be able to track, lock, or erase your phone remotely. Use trusted features like Find My iPhone, Apple, or Find My Device, Android. These tools can show your phone's location if it's on and online. You can send messages, lock it, or erase data. Remember, erasing is final. Only do this if recovery isn't likely.
What precautions can help prevent future loss?
E. Prepared ahead of time. Set up screen locks, enable device tracking, and regularly back up your data. Write down your phone's serial or IMEI number and keep it somewhere safe. Use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication on important accounts. These steps help protect your data and make recovery quicker if your device is lost again.